This, as with any other clock, you first press reset. It comes at the right at the back, okay? Down below you have the batteries, okay? So press reset, okay? And everything goes to that, okay? So as you can see, first of all, it gives you an option to set what kind of time format do you want. Do you want the 12-hour timing or the 24-hour? I prefer the 24-hour. I'm going to press up, okay? And that gives me 24 hours. And then I'm going to press set again. So that gives me the option of setting the time. And the time right now is 6:52. So I'm going to press up. So just long press and the numbers will just rush. I passed it, so I'm going to go back a little bit. And that's 18. Then press set again. And that gives you the option of setting the minutes. So since it's on 1 minute, we are just going to go back, which is down. Press down, okay? And now right now it's 6:52 on my phone, but I'm going to set it to 53. Then press set, okay? Then now that takes you back to the 24 hours. So what you do is that the next thing you do is you press mode, because if you continue pressing set, it takes you down to the time, and that is not what we want. Now we want to set other things like the year and the calendar and the date. So now we are going to press mode, so that it takes us to a different setting, a different category. So once you've pressed the alarm, what you do, then you come again and long press set. And that gives you the option of setting the alarm. I'll set my alarm up at, let me see, maybe 7 in the morning. Okay? And then once you've done that, if you want to adjust the minutes, you press set. Then you can adjust that. Press set again. And you see it's within the alarm. So we want to set something else. Go back and press mode. And that takes us to the year. So I'm going to set to the corresponding year, which is 2022. Okay, long press set. And that gives me the option of setting the year. Press up and hold so that it rushes through the years. Then now we can go slower so that we don't skip it. And that is set. Then press set again. So you've set the year. Let me see if it gives, okay, now it gives me the option of the month. It's January, so that's okay. Then press set again. It gives us the option of the date. The date is 19th. So go ahead and press up until you get to your desired date. So in this case, it's 19th. Yeah, that's it. 19th. Once you're done with that, then press set. And that is done. Let's go and see whether we have a different mode to set. And I think that's it. So you have the time, okay? You have the month, which is January 19th. You have your alarm, which is set at 7 a.m. in the morning. Then you have your year, which is 2022. And that's done. So this clock also comes with, I think that is the percentage of the battery, if I'm not wrong, 63%. And the temperature, 28 degrees centigrade. And let's see whether we have other things, a different setting. So the only thing that I notice is that if I press down, there is an abbreviation of minimum, so I don't know what that really means. And up, that gives me maximum. So I don't know if that is the percentage of the battery maximum and minimum, I don't know. But that's how, guys, you set your digital clocks.